Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we are on episode 3 of our beginner series. And yesterday we did the knit stitch, which you can see we did one row of knit stitch. And today we're going to do the purl stitch. And the purl stitch is the opposite of the knit stitch, okay? So this is going to be what you do on the back side of your knitting. So like I said yesterday, my working yarn, the yarn that comes from the skein, goes over my index finger and under my ring finger, and my ring finger squeezes to the needle. Now, yesterday when we did knit stitch, the yarn was behind our needle. During purl, the yarn goes in front, okay? So you're going to stick your needle. This time, you're going to go in that front loop, back to front. Yarn over your needle, pull it through, right, and off. The first stitch is always the one that feels the most awkward. A lot of times you'll see people slip the first stitch, which we'll get into later. But the first stitch on the needle always feels kind of awkward. So you're going to go back to front, around, through, off. Back to front, yarn around, through. You notice like it's really a seamless movement, and then pull that stitch off. So back to front. This is kind of seamless. I tend to do it all in kind of one move and off. Back to front, yarn around, through, off. I'm just trying to make sure that I give you a good view of this movement. Back to front, yarn around, through, off. This is the knit stitch. Let's do some. This is kind of what it looks like in my normal pace. If I weren't looking through a camera. And that is your purl stitch. This is what it looks like on the back. And that's what it looks like on the front. So I hope this was helpful for you. If this was helpful, make sure that you like, subscribe, share with a friend that you think this could help. And stay tuned for tomorrow, episode 4, and we'll be joining a new yarn for stripes. So stay tuned for tomorrow.